smart, beauty, efficient office, environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Hi, this is Tina from DSPPA. Today, I would like to show you a new generation paperless conference system from DSPPA. It is tailored for party and government organs, enterprise and institutions, and large group as well.
According to the statistics, the amount of paper used in office in the United States is as high as 1.7 trillion each year. If stepped up, the eye can reach 18,000 times at that of Mount Everest.
Therefore, paperless conference system is rapidly gaining popularity for its diversity of functions, resource pooling, and management standardization.
DSPPA paperless conference system integrates communication, audiovisual control, and software technology, featuring multiple functions, intuitive interface, simple and static operation. Now, let's have a look at the core function. Start meeting with just one key press. Quick start about 30 seconds. Modern simple design seeks a craft for details the overall display modern. Noiseless lifting integration, perfect elevation angle, ultra high definition. Exquisite appearance, UI interface design. Click the C list to view the names of participants and other of information. Conference agenda means the topic of meeting. Clicking conference materials, you will see various files involving this meeting, such as PPT, Word, picture, video, and so on. In the meeting, the voting function can quickly activate. It will feedback the situation in real time. Users can accurate the statistical results clearly, easily, completely efficient decision making. In addition, screen sharing and projection. Any terminal screen can be broadcasted to each participant's screen. And each terminal also supports large screen projection. The operation is simple and the picture quality is clearly leading in high efficiency and function. Take a look at these 8 functions: annotation viewing, electronic whiteboard, video service, USB import, conference exchange, web browsing, conference control, administration. Annotation viewing, participants can handwrite notes on files to be saved freely and viewed later. Electronic whiteboard. Participants can use the electronic whiteboard to take notes. Conference exchange in real time to increase the initiative of meeting communication. Moreover, call service on the floating circle. It allows participants to enjoy coffee and other humanist service at any time. Microphones lifters with eye-catching button can be lifted independently according to meeting needs. When meeting finishes, one button control to lower the microphones and lifters. DSPPA paperless conference system is composed of various terminals and also supports personalized collocation. In the end, participants close the system with just one key press. The terminals and microphones will be regain its old position.